Hi, I'm Ian. I'm a member of Hema's Alpha Mapping program, and in this video I'm going to explain how to locate and travel to a point of interest in the Hema Nav software. Start the process by opening the Hema Nav software on your device. Tap the screen once to bring up the menus. Now tap the search function. You will notice a number of icons near the top of the search function. In these icons can be found many points of interest. In this case, we'll be locating the nearest fuel station. To do this, we tap on the fuel icon. This will locate all the fuel stations radiating outwards in distance from your location. Select a suitable fuel station and select the Navigate To icon. And now select Start. This will give you both voice and visual guidance to that point of interest. As another example, tap on the three dots icon. Choose Campgrounds, and we'll select the first available campground, which is Five Ways Caravan Park, 3.5 kilometres away. We now press Navigate To. Choose our route. We've got an option of 3 routes. We'll choose the best route. Hit Start.
70 metres, turn right.
And it will now voice and visually guide us to that location. If we want to end the route at any stage, just tap the screen, press End Route. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you. For more information, check out the Hema University webinars on hemamaps.com.